Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but Nengan.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebale nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngingabi nemfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Find a cat. Oh, darling, what a long ass day. Yeah, what are we gonna do about this grass cutting and sound? Hi guys. Hey. How are you?
We are good, and you?
I'm good. Do you mind if we take a video of you guys while I ask you questions? I'm Lisa from CMTV.
Questions for what?
We go around asking couples questions.
Questions unless.
Kalogo, just simple questions about your relationship. You know, we are a relationship channel, right? So we
Okay.
go around just doing quizzes with couples. You understand?
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Would you be fine with it?
Yes.
You're not
no
in
problem.
a hurry?
No problem. Bye. Bye.
Let me see up, Victor. Where are you guys going? Really?
Yes.
School?
Yes. That campus.
Yeah, next time.
Oh, okay. But she's okay with it.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Yes.
Can you guys stand this side for me, please? Come closer. My lady stand on the right, so on the left. Why are you nervous?
I'm not nervous, just sesikolweni soba late.
It's not exam season, guys. I'm also in school.
Yeah.
No, we're going for something then.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a few minutes.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, name?
Yes.
Name? Your name, Lavi.
Ulindo kuhle.
Lindo Kuhle and
Melus.
Melusi.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been together?
6 months.
6 months.
Yeah.
Why does he look unsure?
It's 6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
All right, where did you guys meet?
Alexandra.
Uh-huh.
Yes. Wow.
Where they?
I don't know exactly that place.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Or was it a group?
Yes.
So benisela utywala.
Besela
Bentuza.
utywala besinxila.
Oh, Tizza. Ndifuna unxila, ndilahleke ndingazazi. Itsho la le nto.
Yeah.
So then what happened afterwards? You met her? Did you take her home? Did you take her number? What happened?
Yeah, asikajike ekhaya, just sihlangane la eJozi nje. Saqala. 6 months, maybe after a year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so she didn't actually go home with you after group.
It go, coming.
Huh?
She's coming to me now.
Really?
Yeah.
Ewe ngumuntu wami akanayo.
Thina uzothi akanayo omnye.
Ndiyakuxelela ndiyamazi kaloku le 6 months seyininzi kakhulu.
6 months means.
Seyininzi kakhulu.
So you trust him?
Ndiyamthemba.
Yeah?
Ewe,
From a scale of 1 to 10.
10%. 10.
10%?
10.
Do you know 10% is
No,
1?
like 10 over 10.
Oh, 10 over 10.
Yes.
Do you trust her?
Yeah.
Kakhulu.
Kakhulu.
Okay, guys, I want to do a loyalty test now. I don't want to waste your time. I know you're going to school.
You said you will take few minutes.
Yeah,
But
no,
now
no.
ingathi uyadlula ngoku.
But we're on 3 minutes.
Sendiba
Lindo.
siyakuxelela into yoba siyathembana ngoku ufuna nto.
Oh, should be 2 minutes, kaloku.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
So we do a loyalty test on this
Yes,
show, ne?
no problem.
60 seconds.
Okay.
We swap cell phones. You look at his phone.
Oh, okay, no problem.
That's fine.
Kanjani manje amafoni?
What is an issue?
Anginankinga.
Can I have your phone?
Uqale ngakami phone kodwa thina kahle kahle.
Hayi, mnika kaloku phone.
Thina ngani uyazi
Mike
ukuthi
yakho kaloku qala.
from where?
From where?
Awuzama ukumnike
Mike
yakho.
yakho qala.
No, akuqala ladies
Mike
first,
ifoni
ne?
yakho
That's fine, but
Yeah.
but I need to have the phone in hand.
Ayinalutho phone yakho.
Mike kaloku mangenalutho.
Thank you. Can I have yours as well? But we'll start with yours. Welcome, thank you. Okay. Do you have a passcode? Your card is behind your thing. Can't be mal.
Hayi,
Can't mal by 500 rand.
uleka.
Huh?
Bona
Melusi, where you going?
Oh,
Salama, Melus.
yeah.
Okay, this is a WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, hold the phone.
Manje mabe ecaleni kwakhe.
Phone mama yami.
Kaloku uyeyama nje fanele ndibone uba wenzani.
No. Thank you, Linda. We don't need you.
Uyeyama kaloku fanele
Ndakuva. Okay. Type I love you, Papa Zulu, here at the top. Okay, type I love you.
I love you. Hayi ndim. Melusi ndim.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay. Delete.
Delete. Yeah.
Okay. Type I miss you.
Yes.
Oh, what does she type in closer or what? What does she type in? I miss you. Ndiyakhumbula. When she says I miss you, what does she say? Ndiyakhumbula, ne? So we're wasting time. Delete. Write in Ndiyakhumbula. That's you, Miss.
It's me.
Okay, delete.
That's
Type pregnant.
pregnant. Pregnant.
Okay, there's nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, type thank you. I don't know, maybe so there's someone sending a woman money.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I know one.
Nothing. Okay, delete. Type arrived. Arrived.
Yeah, no.
Hey, hi, son. Delete.
Hayi nesikhathi sesihambile kaloku.
No.
Sesihambile
Lovely, one more minute. But wait, one more. Babe. Type babe.
akho nto kule yam ifowuni.
Ndim lo babe.
Ngowe mos lapho. Okay,
That's me.
delete.
Eish.
Hey, ayintombi. Your turn, Nemelus.
Yes.
You don't want to tell us anything before we search your phone.
No,
You're loyal.
yes, I trust.
Because you're Tatazela, I'm not sure.
Uyabaza abo bantu. Uyabaza abo bantu.
Okay.
Xana ndengabantu endibaziyo abaphi endibaziyo.
Abantu bapha ku-WhatsApp uyabazi kaloku uyabazi.
Melisi. Okay.
Uyabazi.
Sithandwa sam. Usithandwa. He's Zulu, right?
Type happy.
Oh, no, sorry, lovey. Here, wait. Here at the top. Okay, that's you, isn't it?
Hayi, no.
Thana ngazo. Hayi ntombi.
Ayibhalwanga igama.
061.
Maybe to.
And why is the number unsaved?
Huh?
Why is the number unsaved?
Ayiseyivwanga le number ibhaliwe sithandwa sami isentliziyo yam.
Who sent that message? It's me.
Uwe usendile imessage.
Maybe it's my friend.
Uthi ngiyabonga sithandwa sentliziyo yam. Kutsho wena.
Maybe.
Kutsho myakho uthi sithandwa sentliziyo yam.
Yeah, maybe he's cheating for someone. But
Okay, ngicajonge.
Excuse me, he's what?
it's my friend who was cheating.
Your friend
With your phone.
Yes, he's cheating to someone.
No,
Ngokungenaphi
Melusi.
usithandwa sami kuwe kaloku ifone yakho uthi isithandwa sami kuwe.
Laba abanye laba abangithandayo sithandwa sami.
Abakuthanda kanjani? Unabanye abantu abakuthandayo ngaphandle kwami? Yimi abanye abantu abakuthandayo ngaphandle kwami?
Ama-crush babe.
Ama-crush. Ndibuza uba unabanye abantu ababathandayo na ngaphandle kwami? Shuthi nawe uyabathanda.
Hayi, sithandwa sami maybe ababhalayo.
Hayi, uwena obhalile ke ngoku, nguwe obhalile kule game. Iphinde yalokha le nto yale phone yakhe. Ina faka.
Awasambeni ungabusayivula.
Hayi, uzoyivula ndifuna ukubona kucacile abantu abaninzi abantu abaninzi. Faka i-password up, faka i-password up.
Awudala sami.
Faka i-password up, hayi. Ndingalaleli ntoni?
Nto.
Faka i-password up.
Melusi, please, hey?
Faka. Stop.
Okay, love, go into the pictures. Go to the same message and go to the pictures.
Iphi isithandwa sami?
We're gonna go into the pictures. Maybe
Yabona
there's
azisaveli apha. Ebemsendele kodwa.
something that he deleted. Go. Wait, lovey. Wait.
Aziveli.
Oh, it's Princess.
Uprincess Ndlovu.
Sontana princess.
Umane uthi uyasontwa nje kanti uyajola esontweni.
Hayi asijoli.
Kwenzekani unakuthi isithandwa sami apha naye uthi baby apha ku.
Ilanguage yasesontweni.
Awumuntu wecawe umuntu wecawe uyajola kanti kule cawe yakho umane uthi uyecaweni. Umane uthi uyecaweni nje kanti uyajola. Nanku nje usithandwa sami apha. Nanku wabuyaphi? Hayi wabuyaphi? Uzondixelela lo prince. Uzondixelela uba ubani uprince.
Him. We're gonna call Princess, eh?
Masimfonele. Hayi, masimfonele. Hayi nje umane ungicela ukuthi uyecaweni kanti uyaphi?
Ngicela ningihloniphe.
Yeke masimlindeni.
Mfowethu.
Hi, guys.
Hayi man. Ngicela ifoni yami phela.
Wait, Melusi, calm down.
Fonele yima.
Hayi bo. Hayi niye.
Hi, Princess.
Akanayo nemali. Ayinayo nemali lo msulu lo.
Yo, Princess, hi, lovey. You're speaking to Lisa from CMTV.
Okay.
Do you know Melusi?
Yeah.
Intoni yakho Melusi?
Umuntu wami, intoni yami kanjani umuntu wami?
Hayi bo Melusi umuntu wami mos.
Hayibo. Kanti ngicumnika ifoni naye la.
Hayi bo. Hayi bo. Bafowethu ngicela ukrop ifoni yami man. Drop
Princess,
my phone please.
talk to Princess, please. Talk to Princess.
Ngicela ukrop ifoni yami.
Princess,
Bangibambe inkulu.
how long have you... Oh, Princess dropped now because we're not talking. What did Princess say to you?
Uthi umuntu wakhe.
Princess, how long have you been with Melusi?
Hello.
Princess, hi.
Unjani?
How long have you been with Melusi?
Sokusisi lesikhathi.
Uthi umama umfundisi ecaweni nje.
Mama umfundisi.
Uthi umama umfundisi ecaweni.
Benginaye na izolo so umfundisi kanjani?
Hayibo ngoku uthe ukho.
Bensezani izolo?
Ngozinetha but umuntu wami.
Ungiqhela kanqatha umnqondo wakho wena. Uyangiqhela wena.
Dali.
Uthi kwa wena sisulo ngoba bendingayazi yonke lento ngoku sofuna futhi ngifana nomuntu wami. Sapona ndiyami. Sap. Ndimara. Umuntu wami ngommasabe baby. Ngicela umuntu wami.
What? You must leave him.
Ngicela umuntu wami na ungenaphi? Ungenaphi masiyami?
Asambe sana.
Masiyami. Ungenaphi?
Hi, Melusi, you're not gonna say anything.
Hey. Ngibulala ikhaya bafowethu eningiyeke. Cela utshela abantu bakho sisibangeke.
Hayi sinawe thatha seba nqundu. Uyaseba ukethile nje ukuthi masiyambe futheke.
Okay, guys, let him go.
Hayi
Let him go.
Nangu princess.
Awuthandwa sami.
Hayi sisi nawe uyazithanda
Apologize.
abantu uyazithanda
Cela uhambe,
abantu.
sis.
Hayi siyake.
Where's my phone?
Leave
Hala kaloku.
Hayi,
Suntsala.
baby.
Guys, we have the cell phones.
Suntsala.
Baby.
Diyeke kaloku.
Cela nihambe.
Bahambe baye phi?
Cela na.
Hey, Dieg.
Cela bahambe.
Dieg.
Ngicela uhambe.
But Lindo! My princess.
Guys, please calm down.
No.
Please give me the purse.
Ah, it's not your girlfriend, Lindo. It's not your girlfriend, Lindo. Lindo. What's again, Lindo?
Please,
Lindo,
give me
what's
the purse,
again?
please.
No.
The purse! We need the purse. Guys, my nails.
Kanu Lindo. Sisi.
Please let the purse go. Please. Thank you.
Lindo.
Princess. Princess.
Lindo, please calm down. Lindo, we're sorry. Lindo, I'm sure you... I'm sorry, guys. Guys, please let him go. Let him go, please. Me! In all my years of CMTV, I don't think I've ever been attacked by a man. Lovey, you need to calm down. You need to calm down.
Ubulala ikhaya wena.
I'm sorry, but...
Hayi ubulala ikhaya man, suka eduze kwami
But
ngami.
why you feba now?
Hayi.
Yeah, you ruza wena.
Ngiyangithuka ngokuyayuruza mina.
Sifebelini.
Nawe uyangithanda ngiyakubona.
Ngithanda
Suka
wena.
la kimi man, suka.
Ngithanda wena.
Uyangithanda.
Uyitype yami wena.
Ngixabanisa nomfazi wami wena.
I'm sorry.
Ngixabanisa nomfazi
Go
wami.
fix things with go fix
I
things with my
know,
Princess Lindo.
no. I don't fix things with my wife.
We're gonna let you go, but
Nah,
don't hit
man. I don't hate you. Leave me go, guys.
you. Okay, please let him go.
You
But
stress me. You stress me. Lindo.
okay.
Fine.
Okay. Yo, we need the police and bodyguards. Ingathi ndiyabona sendibetha mntakabawo. You? I can't deal. It has gone down. It has gone bananas. Baya Yuruza Zimporomile. My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ See you later.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Don't be yase prebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but Nengan.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebaleni obala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?